Hey everybody, how are you? You need brake pads for your Segway Max G3? Hold on, let me get me on there. Alright. So, I was like one of the first people to buy the Segway Max G3 when it came out a couple of months ago. Almost a year ago, I think. And because I'm a heavier rider, like I'm 6'2" and 260 pounds, right? So, I'm a bigger guy. So anyways, I couldn't find the brake pads on Segway's when you go to the Segway store and you go to the parts, you can't find them. They're not there. All you can do is find the actual caliper, the red caliper, which is expensive. And the red caliper actually contains two brake pads inside. So I don't know if that's like a marketing trick, a very sneaky marketing trick that Segway does to, the only way to get brake pads from them is if you buy an actual caliper from them, which is quite expensive. So what I did anyways is I took the caliper, and with the help of someone online, his channel is called eScoot Talks, I think. He lives in Ireland, but he's from Croatia, so he has a Croatian accent. I'll put the link there so you guys can watch his videos. He makes excellent videos about electrical scooters, but on the technical side, about repairing them and fixing them and all that stuff, he's the guy to go to. He also does, if you need help with your electrical scooter, if you have a problem, you can do a WhatsApp video conversation with him, a session, and he'll walk you through fixing the problem. I had a problem with a brake issue with my Segway, and I called him. We did a little WhatsApp conference, video conference, and everything was solved. So I'll leave his information in the description so you can click on it, okay? So let me just show you where the Segway Max G3 pads, where you can buy them, because what I did is that with him, the guy from eScoot Talks, his name is what's his name again? Yeah, his name is Roni, or Roni, and nice guy. Anyways, he took the actual measurements, specific measurements, and I sent them to this manufacturer in New York City, was able to recreate them, and boom, now you guys have Segway Max G3 pads available on eBay. And let me show you where they are right now real quick so you guys understand. Let me move myself over. So you just go here, you just look. I just want to make sure nobody else is selling them. Segway Max G3 brake pads. Yep, there they are right here. Yep. Two pairs brake pads for Kugo G Booster and Segway Max G3 electrical scooters. $13.99 each for two pairs. That's a very, very good deal. Great guy, Ragu e-scooters parts in New York City. So that's it. I just wanted to let you know about that because we need to help each other. We're in this electrical vehicle / motorcycle community. Anything on two wheels, man, is awesome, right? And to God be the glory, God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, that you can only know through Jesus Christ. Ciao.